Let's do the shout out, guys. Okay. First on the list, shout out Indri Official. I think he's from Hong Kong. Let's support this channel, guys. Next is Imran Hiken, Filipina, residing in Ohio, in America, USA. Okay. Cute cat, dog. Imran Hiken and Indri Official, shout out in the next is Living After 50. It's content is shopping, grocery shopping. Let's support her channel, guys. 371 by subscriber. So please support and visit her channel. Next, Jocelyn Barlam Vlog, yan, sa mahilig sa mukbang. Ito yung channel na laki ng subscriber, 43k. Grabe, congrats mama. Sa sila Amerika. So shout out Jocelyn Barlam Vlog. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So apat na yung shout out natin. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Think ko lang na dalawa. Ito si Remy TV Watkins. So sa banger, yan, dami pagkain. I think sa Amerika din siya. Nakiring ng 10.7 ang followers, subscribers. Congrats. Masasarap na pagkain. Okay. Yan. Officials, the next is Apin Ria. Okay, shout out Apin Ria. Just visit their channel. I think they are group one. So visit them, guys. Support. So 1k pa lang subscriber niya. Okay na to. isang tao. Let's play one video. It's channel, okay. Remy, kita yung isa. Ito. Yan. Saka babalikan natin. Ito. Silid bar lang. Vlog. Yan, balikan natin. Ito. Shopping. Content. Suludi pa. Ito tayo kang Ma'am Nimrod. Surprise tayo. Marami kasing open na channel. Tignan nyo. So, dami. Okay. Balik yan. Mag-play yan mamaya. Yan, no? Then, let's play one video for entry official. Yan. So, let's go back to naglo-loading na tayo. Yan. Nipis na si Apendria. Nice content. Relax. Iba na, loading pa. Naglo-loading talaga. So, next next na ma-shout out sa may part 2 tayo maya. Part 2